I'm trying to stand where I can get a close up with my friend, the coconut tree there in the background. Ah, there she is. There she is. Okay. Good morning. It's Teacher's Day. It's May 6th. So I'm on my roof. I am what? About 30 feet up off the ground. So me and the coconut tree, we're side by side right now. See? Our two faces are in the frame. You can't be in the same frame as a coconut tree if you're on the ground. Yeah, so that's the tree of life, the coconut tree. Many cultures call this the tree of life because it basically has everything you need to stay alive. The wood gives you material to build your house, and the leaves also give you thatch for your roof. The coconut itself, you have water, and this coconut water is similar to your blood. They use it for blood transfusions directly into the veins. And the jelly meat, wonderful fruit. So I like to come up here and look at my coconut tree. Well, it's not mine, it's my neighbor's. And many times the question has come up, should we chop it down? Should the neighbor chop it down? Because it's a very tall tree. It's well over 30 feet tall, and it's relatively close to the houses. And every time we have hurricane season, that question comes up, should we chop it down, I mean, it would be really sad. It would be really sad to have to. Look at her. She's so beautiful. Look at her. This coconut tree is about 30 years old. I've been in Portmore now for 30 years. So I think this coconut tree and me, we've been here for around about the same time. Yeah, so it's Teacher's Day, and I'm happy to be a teacher. I love being a teacher. I love inspiring kids, facilitating their development. I have students who are going to do their CSEC today, and these are grade 6 students. They did their first CSEC yesterday, grade 6. These same students did their PEP 2 weeks ago, grade 6 PEP. As a teacher, to be able to have grade 6 students doing CSEC and City and Guilds and PEP in the same year, that's more than unusual. That's almost unheard of, and it's something that I'm proud about. And these are students who are going into the exams with confidence because they have been prepared and they are capable. So as a teacher, to have that under my belt, and this has been happening for year after year after year after year, we have grade 6 students going into PEP, coming out of PEP, stepping into CSEC, stepping into City and Guilds, and acing it. So that is something to be proud of as a teacher. So today is special for us. I don't know what my students and their parents have planned for us today, but whatever it is, and even if they have nothing to give, I know they appreciate us. Most of them appreciate what we give to their kids on a daily basis. We see the kids much more than they see them a lot of times. We know the kids more than they know them. And this is evident to us when we have to interact with the parents and the kids sometime, and you realize that you don't know your child as much as I know your child. For real, real, real. For real, real. They don't know these kids as much as we know them because we spend their waking hours. We spend more waking hours with them than the parents do. And it's all good because we mean them well and we want them to excel, and we try to do everything in our power to get them to that place where they can stand on their own academically. You know, it's all good when they're among people who care and people who want the best for them. Not all teachers do, but I know I do. So I've had hundreds of students over the years. Hundreds of students have passed through my hands. And many times the student is calling to you and they say, Mommy. They want to say Miss and they end up saying Mommy. That's very understandable because it is what it is. It is what it is. We're moms to these kids. It's not just teaching, we are moms. And I've had hundreds of kids. And in the online space now, I've been on YouTube for 6 years, and the school's channel has been based on the comments that students and parents and teachers, even teachers, make on the videos. We know that we have made an impact in their lives through the Kemet Masai Academy channel. And that's another thing too that I'm glad to be able to impact not just the Jamaican space but overseas. People from Kenya, people from all over the world have access, and they do comment and say how much they appreciate. So that feels good to be able to have that impact. In the mornings, I come up here on my roof and I reflect. So that's my swing on my rooftop. That's my very beautiful chocolate brown swing that I'm so proud of. And these are the tops of the houses of my many neighbors. So it's good to just take some time and reflect in the mornings before you start work. Yeah. Calm yourself and prepare for the day. So happy Teachers Day to all the teachers. This is a tough profession to be in. It can be very, very challenging, but it's also a very fulfilling job and a very impactful job. And those of us who take it seriously, we know the effect that we can have on young minds, on the society in the long run. So hats off to you, fellow teachers. I'm gonna get ready now and go to school and see what's up.